Hey everyone, it's Courtney from Unbound Medicine, and welcome to my very Christmas office where I may or may not have wrapped every single wall in wrapping paper. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to effectively search your resources in your uCentral, Nursing Central, or any other bundled app that you may have from Unbound Medicine. Today I'm going to be working inside of Nursing Central. Let's say I'm seeing an adult patient who has asthma but can't remember the name of the drug that they're on. If I use the universal search in the right-hand corner, that's the magnifying glass, I can type in asthma and you'll see that it gives me index searches in the left-hand side where it will take me directly to the record. But I need to find this drug that the patient's on, and clearly the drug is not named asthma. If I hit full text search, it'll show me everything that's available inside of all of the other resources that will show the word asthma inside of there. So for instance, Xyluton is a drug for asthma and it's listed inside of the record. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways that you can search for the information you need right away inside of your bundled resource. Over time, you'll find something that fits best for you. If you haven't purchased one of our resources yet, but you're interested, make sure you use the discount code HOWTO19 for 10% off. If you're looking for a group sale with a bigger discount, make sure that you contact our sales team. Have a happy holidays, everyone.